Hello aspirants, in this video we will discuss about the timetable which you may follow for the paper 2 child development and pedagogy. This will act as a roadmap to your success. So as I have been telling from quite few days that you should be having a plan ready. Half of the work will be done once you have planned and executed properly. So for completion of this section on the child development and pedagogy, you may allot a 30 days, that is about 4 weeks of time, each day 2 hours per this subject. So let us delve into how you can plan the timetable. Week 1, you may focus on development, growth and maturation, concept and nature. Day 2, principles of development and their implication. Day 3, what are the factors influencing the development. Day 4, dimensions of development. Day 5, development across stages. Day 6, development theory. And on day 7, you can revise the earlier completed 6 days portion, and every day you have to make it a principle which is non-negotiable to practice at least 20 to 30 bits from the content. And the mantra for your success is, the more you practice the previous year question papers, the more would be your success rate. And coming to the week 2, you may plan for the various models, individual differences, personality developments and methods of child study, development tasks and hazards. With this, majority of the syllabus would be completed, and on day 14th you can have a mock test. Analyze all the previous year questions in these areas and have a quick revision of day 1 to day 14. Next, coming to the third week, you can focus on the learning, what are the factors, theories, models, what are the different dimensions in the week 3. So the same as mentioned in the week 1 and week 2, on day 21 you may give a weekly test covering the concepts, as well as revise the short notes which you have prepared from day 1 to day 20. So by the week 3 you will have a almost 3/4 of the sectional content covered. Coming to the week 4, you may focus on the teaching in the context of the learners, what are the various pedagogical methods and what are the phases in teaching and various models and theories which are there in this. And as you have followed till week 3, same in the week 4 weekday you can go for a complete revision of the 27 days and give a mock test if possible. And coming by the 29th day, you can focus on the various policies and acts related to education and what are the various assessment approaches which are existing in the present educational system. With this, you will be completing the section on child development and pedagogy. So you are almost half done with your preparation. That is, this syllabus will give you 50 marks out of the total 150 marks test. So what is the mantra for the success? As I have been emphasizing from the day 1, the success mantra is attempting the previous year question papers. The previous year question papers will give you an idea of what are the types of questions being asked, what are the thematic areas. This will give you a confidence in facing the examination. Be consistent, regularly practice the mock test, follow the 30-day plan rigorously, stay positive and confident, and I wish you the best of luck for your TET exams. And you can follow me on YouTube as well as Telegram. So wishing you all the very best. Thank you.